Ray White Coffs Harbour are proud to introduce 27 Redwood Street. A proud street presence is a positive affirmation for what awaits you and your family inside. Everybody will love the relaxed outdoor living zones. Stunning views of the hinterland where every day sees another spectacular sunset highlighting your mountain backdrop. Built to last, this impressive deck has the added protection of a fully insulated roof. A seamless transition between the decks and the internal living zone makes for easy entertaining. Modern and functional, the kitchen is a pivotal connection point with direct contact with both decks and the open-plan living space. Comfortable sleeping quarters with clean, crisp amenities enhance an already high level of livability. Retaining walls create both function and form. Take advantage of the raised garden beds and grow your own fresh veggies. If you enjoy your golf, you will love how close it is to the Coffs Harbour Golf Club with its challenging 27 holes just a short par 5 away. Or maybe shopping is more your style. If so, the heart of a modern city centre is just over the hill. This location, positioned on the eastern side of the highway, is highly sought after and just a 5-minute drive from the beach, airport and hospital. For further information, please contact Ray White, Coffs Harbour.